I spent so many years hiding behind things that couldn't save me. Old wounds, old fears, old memories. Brick by brick, I built my own prison. There was a time I'd lock the doors, even when nobody came. Still hearing voices from years ago, calling me by my shame. I'd sit alone beside the window, watch the shadows cross the floor, trying to convince my broken heart I didn't need no more. But every wall I built for shelter turned into another chain. Then the walls started falling, one stone at a time. Every lie I'd been believing lost its hold on this life of mine. The light came through the cracks where the hurt had always been. I found a road beyond the rubble, and grace was waiting there again. The past still whispered now and then, like it knew where I could break, pointing at the scars I'd carry and every wrong mistake. But mercy has a stronger voice than the ghosts I've listened to, and every step away from yesterday made room for something new. What I thought would stand forever couldn't stand against His love. Then the walls started falling, one stone at a time. Every lie I'd been believing lost its hold on this life of mine. The light came through the cracks where the hurt had always been. I found a road beyond the rubble, and grace was waiting there again. Had been there all along. What I call protection was only fear disguised, till God opened up the prison I'd been living in inside. Now the walls are all behind me, broken stone beside the road. The weight I've carried for so long ain't mine to bear no more. The light came through the cracks and showed me where to begin. I found a road beyond the rubble, and grace was waiting there again. Yeah, grace was waiting there again. Funny thing about grace, it don't ask permission to enter. It just keeps knocking till the walls come down.